Hello, this is Seth for Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2015 Chrysler 200LX. Under the hood we have a 2.4-liter i4 Tiger Shark engine and a 9-speed automatic transmission. Let's take a look around. This guy is in the white and it looks very sleek and very nice. We do have the Chrysler logo up front here with the black grille. Now as well, it does come with bi-function halogen headlamps right there, and they are incredibly bright. They are the projector style, so they'll light up the road real nice for you. Now over here, it does ride on a pair of 17-inch rims with Goodyear brand tires, and there's still a lot of tread left on those guys as well. And you got the rims looking very nice right there as well. Now around back, you do have your trunk. Now you do have your Chrysler logo there and your ethanol logo right over there. And there is a button just under here. Where are you? Right there. So you just gotta press it. And as long as it's unlocked, it will open right up for you. Now in here you do have a lot of space. Tons and tons of space here for whatever you might need to. You can also lift this guy up. And you do have your spare tire under there. Hopefully you won't need it anytime soon. Your tires are all good to go. Now you can just close that guy up as well. Okay, let's jump on inside here. So we got our keys. We got 2 press to unlock all the doors. 1 press to lock them. And we also have our back hatch, our trunk there. And then you also have your panic button. And if you do press it 3 times, you will get it to start up for you. So it does have the remote start on it, which is super nice in the winter. It will keep you nice and warm, and then it'll be all started up for you when you get in. So now also if it's locked and you put your hand in there, it will unlock for you. Plus you do have the button here to lock it or unlock it. Very handy, don't have to go fumbling around for your keys. You also have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all in the door here. And then you have your chrome accented handle there. Down here you do have the controls over your seat, so you got back and forward, and then you also have your seat back and forth, and you got your lumbar support right there as well. Always nice to have and keep your back nice and comfy. Now you have here your controls over your lights, so you have your off, your on, your daytime running lights, and your auto, plus you do have your interior lights there, and then you also have your trunk open right there. Okay, we got the keys in our pocket, so foot on the brake, and you just press the button, and we're good to go. Now in the center here, we do have our speedometer and our odometer. Ooh, that is very high. It was kind of cold in here. So we got our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our oil temperature. Now in the center there is the temperature outside, the speedometer, and then what gear we're in and how many kilometers it has. Now you can change that to your screen setup. You got your messages, your audio, trip info, you got your fuel economy, your vehicle info, and all that right from your steering wheel here. All very easy to get to, and then you don't have to take your hand off the steering wheel. You also have your call out button, your voice recognition, and your hang up button. This guy here does control your turning signal and your high beams, of course. This guy is for your cruise control, and then that one does control your windshield wipers. Now on the back of the steering wheel right here, you have your volume up and down, and as well as you can change the source in the middle. There's an identical one on the other side for your channel tuner as well. Very handy to have, and you never have to take your hands off the steering wheel again, which is always for the best. Now in the center here, you do have a 5-inch touchscreen display with Uconnect. So you have AM and FM as well as SiriusXM, and it does come with a year of SiriusXM when you do purchase the vehicle. You also got your media tab here if you do have a phone hooked up through USB or through Bluetooth or anything like that, as well as aux cord. You have your phone options here if you do have one paired. You got a compass over here to tell you which way you're going. You got your climate controls here, so your climate on and off. You have your fan, how powerful it's going, where it's blowing out of, all that stuff, AC. And then you also have your temperature outside as well as a clock and your settings, all from right there. Now down here in this guy, you got your volume up and down, you got your screen off, your traction control and your back button, your tuner right there. You also have your AC, your circulation, your cold and hot. This guy is how powerful it is, as well as you can turn it off. Then you have your front and rear defrost all right there. This guy is your channel, or sorry, not your channel, your gear shift. So you just put your foot on the brake and you just twist it. Just like that, and it shifts for you. Now this guy is your parking brake, so you foot on the brake, pull it back, and now we're in park. Now when you want to disengage it, you put your foot on the brake and press it down, and now we're not in park. In the center here, you got some cup holders and a little bit of storage here. You can also press this button and pull it back, and you got some more room in there. As well, you also have a USB plug-in, an aux cord, and a charger in there. Now this guy here is your armrest, but it can double as another storage container. There's some room in there, and it does actually go right into the other one as well if you had something a little bit longer in there. And there's a little light in there, which is very nice. Then you can see at night. Over here is your glove box, and it is a locking glove box, and it's super deep, and your owner's manual is in there as well. Locking glove box in case someone did ever break in, which I really hope they never do. It'll be locked and no one will be able to get into it. Up top here, you do have a sunglass holder right there. And then you got some lights here as well. Let's take a look in the back here. Open her up. They got control over their own windows, of course, and it is very soft back here and plush. Very squishy. They will be very comfortable, even on long car trips. Now, if they don't have 5 people in here, you can pull this down, and then you got some cup holders, and you can also open this up, and there's a bit of storage in there. Plus, if you need to get into the back, you can open this guy up, and you can reach into the back as well. Super nice. Everything is very comfortable back here, and well, as you got a lot of leg room here. And there's our 2.4 liter multi-air engine as well. It does come with an engine block heater. Well, that does it for my walk around video of the 2015 Chrysler 200LX. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to one of our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.